In today's video, I'll show you how to install a vehicle spawner in GTA Vice City so you can instantly spawn any cars you want. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. Wait for 10 seconds. Select the download now option. After download done, check my video description for this car spawner. Scroll down. Select the download link. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the CLEVO and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Make sure you have the clean unmodded copy of GTA Vice City and then just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Open the CLEVO folder and go back in WinRAR and open this car spawner. Just drag and drop this CS file inside this folder. And now right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder CLEVO full caps underscore text full caps and press enter. Open the CLEVO text folder. Just drag of this fxt file inside this folder and now just close tab here and launch the game. Once you are in game, just press the F4 key in your keyboard to spawn vehicles. And as you can see, vehicle spawns. And I show you guys another vehicle. Just press the F4 key. Using the right arrow key, you can choose the vehicle. Next to the character, you can see the name of the vehicle. I'm gonna Benson. Just press enter to select the car, and the car will selected. As you can see, this is the car. The same thing. Press the F4 key, and this time I'm gonna select BF injection, and this is the BF injection car. And this way you can spawn any car you want. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.